Alright guys, it's Ryan here at Stanky's Garage. As always, I got another update here for the RSX today, and since I got tomorrow off, I'll probably have an update on the actual front splitter as well. But what I did finish up for the time being is these side skirt splitters. Here's a little demo of what they're going to be almost as a finished product here. I decided to go with 4.5 inches out and taper in with the skirt on the front. As you can see, turned out really well. So the reason I went with 4.5 is that's the length from the skirt to the outer sidewall of the tire here. And I basically want to make it all uniform from front to rear so wind doesn't have to hit the tire as it scoots past the car at a certain mile an hour. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be mating the actual side skirt splitters with the overlays on the wide body fenders front and rear to the front splitter on the bumper. So it's going to be all one piece. None of the tires are going to be sticking out. It'll look really well when it's all finished. Basically what I mean is picking up a piece of 1/4 inch black ABS plastic sheet, and I'm going to be basically sticking it out to the side of the sidewall here and tapering it all the way to the corner, so the back's not going to have anything it can really attach to. But basically it makes the bumper stronger being attached to the body in more than one spot right now. And if it's all attached from front to rear, it's going to make the car's whole side of the body and the wide body itself a lot more strong. And with that being said, I have to figure out what I'm going to do right here. As you can see, it kind of tapers into the inner part of the tire. I may just leave that open so it doesn't create a parachuting effect with the front fenders. I may even cut a little slit right here to vent any pressure that builds up in there. And with the back, I may do the same right here. But we'll see what happens there. But anyways, just kind of giving you guys a small update on the actual skirts themselves. They turned out great. I'm really happy with this aluminum material. I had my first opportunity to work with it on the splitter, not the splitter, but the diffuser in the back, as you guys were updated on last week. So yeah, I really like this stuff. Really light, really strong. It's not that expensive. You can basically get it at any sign store locally to you. They make a lot of advertisement billboards and signs out of it, so stay tuned for another update tonight here on Stanky's Garage, possibly tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to get around to uploading the video, but I'm going to be finishing up the front bumper splitter, and we'll see where that takes me. And I'm not going to be able to finish it up tonight with the ABS plastic overlays on the fenders, but I'm really looking forward to that. So I'll keep you guys in tune here with what's going on next with the car, and we'll see where it goes from there. As always, give me a sub at Stanky's_garage on YouTube, and do the same as well on Instagram for me. Thanks, and have a great day, guys.